gotta stop drinking the boba because I'm chewing. So I'm filming this at night. I just finished my work week and look what just came in the mail. So if you guys watched my New York City Diaries vlog, I brought you guys to Rebag to trade in my bag, which the credits of that went towards this purchase. I did sell a recent Chanel bag that I bought in my last unboxing, so big mistake there, but that's okay. I think it'll be worth it for this one. I will talk about the pricing and everything later on in this video. And I did do a poll on my Instagram. No one really guessed it, and I think that's because I actually don't really talk about pieces that I want. I more so just keep it to myself, and then once I get it, I like talk about it on all platforms everywhere because I'm just so excited. You know, sometimes I change my mind and I don't want to like throw you guys off. So that's also another reason why I keep it to myself. Just personal preference, but I'm really surprised that no one guessed it. So I think this will be really exciting. I think by the title you guys can already see, I actually have never seen this one in person. So I really hope I like it. I mainly bought it off based on like images and styling that I've seen on other people and what it looks like, but I have rarely really seen it in person. So let's just jump into it. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I'm literally filming this at night so I can unbox this. Oh my god, this tape is so strong. So I can unbox this with you guys. So I have to open it upside down, obviously. So hopefully, oh my gosh, nothing is messed up. Some bubble wrap, some tissue paper, and then some more bubble wrap. Okay. I don't know if they even put in a dust bag. I guess we'll find out. Alright, it's like they called me out. I'm calling them out. So it's in a dust bag. I got it from Rebag. It's pretty heavy. Wow. Okay. Wow. Wow, so lambskin is a lot softer. Wow. It's a really cute shape. I think I might have to get a little bag organizer for it. Oh, it comes with stuff inside. I did not know that. Oh, it comes with the dust bag. That's nice. I don't know if the listing said that. Okay. Oh, I dropped my Rebag. I dropped my Rebag authenticity card. She's really flat. Like a little pancake. Yeah, the condition was fair, so that's actually like their almost to last condition marking, but like it looks really good to me. Like, do I just have really low standards? Like, besides the fact that it's squished, which is fine because I could just like stuff it with stuff. This is the Chanel Boy Flat Bag, quilted lambskin in small. That's what it says on my little Rebag card, and then you guys saw me take out the little dust bag. I thought it came with the authenticity card. Did I lose it? Ah, let me check. Oh, it doesn't. It doesn't come with the authenticity card. Oh, damn. That's kind of risky. I wonder what happened to it. I've never had one that didn't come with an authenticity card. I mean, I guess it's okay. At least I bought it from like an authorized secondhand dealer, because like I wouldn't buy it without an authenticity card from anywhere else. It looks really good to me. And I guess if I ever have any issues with it in the future, I can just go back to Rebag about it. But yeah, that's a huge bummer. I didn't even check. That's bad on my part, but I think I would have gotten it anyway. I was just not informed on that. And it comes with a little tag if you take it off. You keep it. And yeah, super duper cute. Looks like this is not adjustable, this strap. But I mainly want to wear it like this. Let's try her on. I think I have the stuff in it, but it looks pretty cute. This bag is definitely cuter on my frame. I really like it. It actually fits a lot as well, I can tell. It fits my iPhone 12 and it fits all my necessities. It's easy to close. I don't have to turn the knob like for classic bags. I just pop it in. I really like it. I think I'm gonna keep it. I'm actually pretty sad not to have the authenticity card, but I guess it's fun. I actually don't think I'm ever gonna sell this one. So cute. This is definitely considered a classic in my eyes. And yeah, I've actually always wanted one of these. For Chanel, I just thought I should get more classic pieces, but I've always looked at this one, and definitely like with all the price increases and everything, this guy was definitely super duper expensive, but it's so cute. I love it. And I actually really like how the lambskin feels. It's really soft and buttery, and I think it just gives a totally different look to the bag. I definitely am going to get a little bag shaper in here, and it'd probably be good for me to organize my things. And I like that it's like a really simple inside. Like the small, I think the small classic flap has like an inside flap too. So I just like how simple this one is. And because of the design, it looks more casual. So yeah, super cute. Let's try it on as a crossbody. I think I need to figure out a way to shorten it a little. I don't know. Can I put it in here? I can't. So I just checked it out in the mirror and I love it so much. I do need to get like a little organizer to like stuff it. So I took some of the bubble wrap and I put it inside to stuff it. It's such a cute little shape. Should I compare it to my mini rectangular? Let me go get it. Keep them company. Oh, I don't really wear my mini rectangular too much because I think it's really dressy. I am trying to wear it a little bit more. So this one is actually in like really good condition, but here they are. Oh my god, I'm so happy to have them. So they're actually like the same size, but obviously the way that it's designed, the boy bag is bigger, like it holds more. Oh, I need to cover its ears, but the boy bag is my new favorite. Obviously, it'll be a very slim chance that I ever sell this because this is just a classic and I will always have a reason to wear it, like to dressy stuff. But this one, it's just like really up my alley and I'm so happy with it. You guys are gonna see it all the time on everything. And yeah, I have to figure out if there's a way to make this shorter because all of the chain is on the outside, so I'm not sure if there is a way to make this shorter. And I'm actually so excited to clean it and buff it with my wax and stuff. I do that with all of my bags. The inside is a little bit dirty. You guys would probably be seeing the interior of it. And yeah, I just love it so much. I can't wait to wear it. It's so cute. Yeah. She's in a very happy home now, and I think this is my new prized possession. I just love it so much. Okay, so again, rebag marked this. So again, rebag marked this as fair condition, which is one of their lowest conditions. I think that's because the bag is like flattened and creased, but that doesn't bother me. So the only condition below fair is outlet, which I think if you buy anything at outlet from rebag, it is final sale. So I do have the chance to return this if I don't like it. Oh wow, I just found the gold one, but it's 6,300 and it's in caviar and it's in very good condition, but it has no accessories. Why is everyone losing their authenticity cards these days? Wow, it's in really good condition though, but I actually think that this gold color is actually like too bright. I like that the silver is more subdued. It like matches the style of the bag more. So I'll put the condition on the screen, but basically it has odor in the interior, but I didn't even smell anything. yeah, it just smells like bag and closet. But it's definitely not as bad as the bag I sold it for, which is the Chanel French Riviera medium flat bag. And it says scuffs on the exterior, strap and underneath flap, loss of shape. Definitely it has loss of shape because I had to completely stuff it. And the interior is pretty dirty. And then it says there are scratches on the hardware, but the hardware is like worn. So for me, this doesn't really have a scent, and it is pretty flat, and the outside looks pretty good. I do see like one scuff, but like honestly, if I owned one, I would have done that. The corners look pretty good on it. They are a little bit deformed, which again is fine. And yeah, overall it just looks like a bag that was well used and well loved. Really happy to have it passed on to me. So let's go ahead and talk about pricing, because I'm sure you guys are curious. I know I'm really nosy about this kind of stuff, but I really wanted to explain the condition of it. So with all of the recent price increases, this bag in store to buy is $5,400. I think these are pretty hard to find, I would say. Let me know if you disagree, but like I've never seen these in stores, so I'm not really all that sure. So I want to preface that Rebag is a site that really pushes coupon codes, and their coupon codes work on everything. It works on Chanel, Louis Vuitton, Hermes, everything. And I do feel like their prices are pretty inflated, so I'm just calling that out. So when I did make the purchase, my account had a 20% off on the account. So the price, I do understand, is very inflated for the bag and the condition that I bought it on. So I just felt like I needed to preface that. But this was selling on Rebag for $5,605. So if you apply 20% off, it actually comes out to $4,484. This bag, if you buy it from Chanel today, I have to tell you the date, which is February 4th, because their price increases are so often and so crazy. It would cost you $5,400. So it's about $1,000 off if you bought it new from the store. I do understand that the condition and everything, it's not a new bag from the store, but at the end of the day, it is the same bag to like someone on the street and everything. And to me, it's about the same bag, because like I like to use my bags. And again, I've said it before, but I feel like I've been priced out of Chanel, and I'm more than happy to be in the secondhand market and be able to find lovely finds like these and give them new homes. So really happy to have this one. I just saw that I had a 20% off coupon, and I really couldn't let this one go. I know, super crazy, super impulsive, but again, this was a bag that I've always wanted and I've always kept an eye out for. I just never really thought I could afford it because it was just so expensive. Opportunity came up and I decided to sell the bag that I bought literally a few months ago, which is crazy. So I ended up filling out their little selling form. So I was quoted $2,410 for that bag. I bought that bag for about $2,900, so I would say I lost about $500 on that whole transaction. I'm the type of seller to just sell to establishments and not really try to sell to individuals, because it's a high risk of being a big headache, and I've dealt with big headaches in the past. Just to give you an example, one of which had to escalate to me going into a police station with a thing that I sold on eBay. So, you know, I've been really scarred in the past, so I'm much happier just losing out on a few $100s than having to deal with that. So just thought I would share. So I did lose $500 on that, but I did get credited onto the statement of this. So let me tell you how much I paid for this one. I'm trying to keep her in the frame. So I ended up paying $2,204 for this. Obviously I lost a bag to get this one, but I think I'm gonna have this for so long and I'm so happy about it. I think I've explained like the condition and everything and about Rebag, and I'm not sponsored, by the way. I'm really integrated into their whole ecosystem. Like you guys saw in the vlog, like the lady at the store like remembered selling to me the first time, because I sold another Chanel bag to them that I wasn't wearing anymore, but this one I don't think I'm really ever going to sell. So hey guys, it's the next day. I spent last night like cleaning this bag, so I just wanted to show you guys it after. I think I did a pretty good job, and I'm going to share the products with you guys. So what I did was condition the outside of the bag. It probably doesn't make a huge difference. So what I did first is use this Cadillac leather cleaner. I just put it into this Chanel fiber cloth that I have, so it's pretty dirty. This is mixed with the wax that I'm going to show you guys in a bit, but I just went over the bag to clean it because obviously I don't know where it's been. This is my first time applying it to a lambskin piece. This is my first lambskin piece, and I think it went really well. No crazy outcome or anything. It definitely is cleaner. It wasn't that dirty to begin with, but that's just what I like to do when I buy secondhand bags. And then for the inside, the interior, you guys saw the before, it was pretty dirty. A lot of makeup marks and stains. There still are some, but I definitely think it is way cleaner than before. So because the interior is like this gray cloth like material, I was able to use my favorite like spot remover. So it's a carpet spot remover. I use it for when I get like soup stains on my clothes, anything. I just spray this on and brush it out. So that's what I did on the interior of the Chanel bag. It worked pretty well. Obviously, I'm sure a lot of the stains are pretty old. I think I saw like a makeup stain or something, but I think this did a really good overall job, and I use it for clothes all the time, so really good product. And then after all of the cleaning, this is the wax that I use. So it is colorless. You can buy it on Amazon. I use it for all of my leather bags. It's just like a little like cream wax, and you buff it into the leather. Opinion, I think it conditions the bag and creates like a nice layer over it. And if you have any scratches, it's also pretty good for buffing out scratches. So I just went ahead and used a Chanel cloth that I had lying around. I got this from the store when I had visited to ask a question about it. Wow, there's like a layer on it. So I just took it. I guess I could do a little just to show you guys, right? Like a little demo. A little extra wax wouldn't hurt. So I don't see any more spots that really need it, but I can do it over here. So you just apply it and then you just buff it in. Really easy. You can use as much or as little as you want because there's no color. It doesn't really affect anything. And then for like the little divots, I'll just like use my nail through the cloth to apply it. So yeah, that's what I did all over the bag. There were no issues that I could see with the hardware, so I didn't clean the hardware. And then I just take, probably not a red one, but it's fine because the bag is black. But I just use a microfiber cloth and then just buff out the wax to get rid of like any residue, any like tacky feeling on the bag. And yeah, that's what I did last night. I usually do this with all of my new bags. It's kind of like a little fun ritual for me. I just thought I would pop that in the video. I'll also try to put the product links in the description box if you guys were curious. I do get some questions about how I care for my bags. So I think that's a really good place for me to end off. I'm just so happy with this one. I'm definitely going to style it so much. Yeah, I just love her. So if you guys like this bag, if you guys liked this video, please consider dropping me a like. If you guys would like to see more from me, please consider subscribing. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!